Welcome back to ALSO's Microsoft 365 Copilot series with Cyberqueen. Now, in this episode, we are looking at the future of AI in the workplace, how Microsoft 365 Copilot is evolving, and what businesses and consumers can expect from AI in the next few years. Artificial intelligence, as you may now well be aware, it's not a trend or a one-time thing. It's become an essential tool that shapes how we work, communicate, and solve problems. Over the next 1 to 3 years, AI will continue to transform industries, automate complex tasks, and redefine business operations. But with this fast advancements come important considerations around security, ethics, and responsible AI usage. Hi, I'm Venetia. I'm the founder of Cyberqueen, a cloud security architect and a Microsoft MVP. Together with ALSO, we bring you practical insights backed with expert advice on navigating the future of AI in your business. Now, let's explore the future of AI, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and how businesses and consumers should prepare for the next wave of AI-driven innovation. Let's consider how AI is evolving specifically in the next 1 to 3 years. It's definitely advancing faster than ever, but here's exactly what you can expect. AI will move from reactive to proactive intelligence. Right now, AI tools like Copilot respond to commands, but in the next generation of AI, it will be particularly more anticipatory and more proactive. So instead of waiting for input, AI will predict what you need by drafting needed reports or automatically scheduling your meetings or summarizing data before you even ask. AI will move towards automating workflows, so from custom presentations straight through to specific reminders, AI agents will handle the grunt work. So it's not that you always need to go and inform the workflows that need to be automated, but that will be the job and the purpose specifically of AI agents. And then AI will continuously adapt to your habits and contexts. So suggesting optimizations to your workflows, to your processes right on the fly. So think of this as learning and adapting based on content and workflows and context as you go along the journey of the specific AI tool in use. In this use case, Microsoft 365 Copilot. Then AI will also become more human-like in conversation. Now, large language models, LLMs, are really honing in on emotions. So we're speaking tone and intent. Now this means that empathetic customer service bots can detect frustration and then respond accordingly. Or smarter Copilot assistants can offer personalized recommendations. There will likely be fewer misunderstandings as AI better grasps context and nuance. So as an example here, if an AI-powered customer service bot receives a complaint, it will likely first off detect frustration in the customer's tone, adapt its response to be more empathetic, and then escalate urgent issues to a human team member. For businesses, this really means more meaningful AI interactions with customers and employees. Now, we will also see AI and automation reshaping the workforce. By offloading repetitive tasks, AI will help to free teams up to focus on high-value projects. Now, if we think of common teams like our HR, finance, and IT teams, this will start to get streamlined. Content creation will be accelerated for marketing and sales. Supply chains will really run with AI capabilities in real time. Now, super interesting in here, we'll also see new roles emerge in model training. This could be like AI ethics and human AI collaboration management. Organizations that invest in AI training for employees will likely be far ahead of the curve here, ensuring a smooth transition to AI-powered workplaces. As for the future of Microsoft 365 Copilot, well, Microsoft is really doubling down on Copilot as the central AI assistant in every workflow. Let's have a look at what has already landed and what will be coming very soon when it comes to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Copilot as the unified AI interface. It's Microsoft's vision to make Copilot the UI for AI. You heard that right. Copilot, the UI for AI. Meaning that businesses won't have to open multiple applications to get work done. Instead, Copilot will seamlessly integrate into every tool you use. So instead of hopping between Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams, you'll simply ask Copilot, summarize the latest financial reports, draft an email update based on my recent meetings, or schedule a debrief with everyone who contributed to a specific meeting, project, or document. What's new in Copilot is Copilot's prompt gallery. So this lets you discover, save, and share prompts that work for you with the rest of your team for faster value. Right inside of Excel, Word, or Teams, you can share common and proven prompts in order to accelerate value. Then Copilot Studio's computer use feature can now click buttons. It can fill in forms and it can navigate apps for you, automating data entry, invoice processing, and so much more without custom APIs. You can call Copilot during Teams calls without transcription or recording. This is perfect for if you are having sensitive discussions. So just by tapping on Copilot in the meeting header, you can simply call Copilot in there to still give you valuable outputs to the meeting, but respecting sensitivity of the discussions. Now, a significant improvement across AI has been coming in the last few months with AI memory and personalized context awareness. So gone are the one and done AI sessions and conversations. Copilot now remembers past interactions across sessions. This means that Copilot is able to retain persistent project knowledge, so it recalls your objectives, deadlines, and documents. Task nudges based on your previous chats. This will help keep you on track. And then it can also help with reoccurring workflow shortcuts that learn your patterns and behaviors. So this makes Copilot genuinely feel like a true long-term teammate rather than a reset every time tool, which has become super valuable in the last couple of months. Then we also have to talk about AI-powered security and compliance enhancements. Now, security and compliance are baked into every Copilot release. So we're talking about real-time threat detection powered by Microsoft Purview and Defender, which helps to flag anomalies as Copilot interacts with your data. Automated compliance checks to ensure AI-generated content meets GDPR, HIPAA, and other regulations. Data privacy controls lets admins restrict what Copilot can access or share. So as an example here, if someone tries to view confidential HR files, Copilot analyzes the permissions and then it alerts admins and blocks the unauthorized sharing. Now, through early access, Copilot users can also get a researcher and analyst agent. This is part of advanced reasoning agents. So the researcher agent taps third-party data, like whether you have data in Salesforce or ServiceNow, to compile deep research briefs. Then the analyst agent can help run Python code against your datasets, delivering data science style reports. These deep reasoning agents transform Copilot from a chat helper into a research and analytics powerhouse. Alright, now let's talk about how businesses and consumers should prepare for this very large and exciting future of AI. The next few years will be transformative for AI in the workplace. For businesses, it's important to invest in AI training. So upskill teams on Copilot's features, prompt design, security policies, and governance. Develop AI governance within your organization. Draft ethics guidelines, privacy rules, and compliance guardrails. Modernize infrastructure. Ensure that your environment is Copilot ready. Integrate SharePoint, Teams, and Graph APIs for seamless AI access. For consumers, it's going to be very important to stay informed. Copilot is rolling out into personal Microsoft 365 subscriptions. So in this case, you can watch out for the new credits-based pricing and the toggle options that will be available within your plan. Then it is really critical to mind your privacy. Learn how Copilot uses or doesn't use your prompts and data. This is super important for what you share and feed into Copilot. Use Copilot for personal productivity. Whether it is drafting personal blogs in Word or analyzing your budget in Excel, Copilot really can transform your life by being more really than just your personal assistant. Now, AI's future is about smarter, more efficient, and truly personalized experiences. Copilot will definitely enhance decision-making, automate routine work, and spark innovation. Copilot will learn over time, acting as your long-term teammate. Security and ethics will be front and center, so AI stays safe and compliant. Are you excited to dive into Copilot but you need a hand to get started? No worries, remember to check out the description box and reach out to Also. They are here and they are ready to help you every step of the way. Thank you so much for joining us on the journey through AI-powered productivity, security, and the future of work. Until next time, remember to use your Copilot to increase your productivity.